Hello everyone, it's ENGR3360, Winter 2017, it's midterm 2. Here I'll be covering only the numerical question of midterm 2. Question number 7. Using the rule of 72, find the time period for 2000 to grow to 4000 using interest rate of 12%. N equal to 72, and that's 6 years. Question number 8, asking us about the cost of fridge B using the cost capacity equation. C2 equal to C1 Q2 Q1 X is 0.6. That's equal to Q2 over Q1 0.6 gives us 114.32. Question 9, asking us using rule 6 to find the cost of a project. So the cost according to rule 6 equal to the worst case scenario plus 4 times the average cost plus this case divided by 6 here the worst case scenario is 1000 plus 4 times average cost is 500, and best case scenario is 200 divided by 6, and that's equal to 533.33. Question 10. A particular investment will be worth $1,000 after 3 years. This investment has an interest rate of 5% compounded interest. Calculate the present value of this investment. So, present value of this investment equal to P equal to 1000. P given if %, 3 years, that's equal to 1086. Question 11 is asking about effective interest rate, finding effective interest rate using the nominal interest rate. So effective interest rate equal to e to the power of r, which is nominal interest rate minus 1 Question 12. Suppose we are interested in setting up an annuity in which annual payment will be made at the end of each year for 5 years. This annuity will be subject to 10% interest rate per year. What is the annual payment necessary for this annuity to have an equivalent present value of 900? So we are given the present value 900 into a P given A, that's 10%, and it's 5 years. Using the tables, we have A equal to 237. 43. Question 13. Suppose we make yearly payment at the end of each year for the next 20 years. We pay $100 after 1 year, and then for each subsequent year we increase our payment by $10. The applicable interest rate is 10%. What is the present value of the scheme? So, present value original $100 for the 20 years. P given A, 10%. 20 years plus we increase our payment P given G 10% 20 using the tables. $1,405.42. Question 34. Oshawa wants to fix its streets over the next 10 years. They deposit $500,000 initially into an account, and then the yearly deposit will increase $100,000 per year for the next 9 years. Which equation most closely expresses the present world if the interest rate is 10%? This is the $500,000 P given A, that's the initially deposit. P given A 10% for 10 years, and then the gradient, positive gradient of $100,000 P given G 10% for 10 years. So this is the close that stands. Question 34. Let's move to question 35. Question 35. Big Box spends $2 million in developing a new product. It spends a return stream of $1 million after a year, and $2 million year 2 and 2 million after year 3. When the project will end at, which is the year 3, at the MAR of 10%, what is the present worth of the project? Present worth of the project equal to $1 million over 1.1 less $2 million over 1.1 power of 2 plus 2 million 1.1 to the power of 3 minus the original 2 million. That gives us 2.06. Question 36. I'm working on the solution for this question. I'm not sure. I have to discuss the solution with Dr. Bennett, so I skip it for now, but I'll post that in a separate file. So let's go to question 37. Lisa buy a car for $18,000 with no money down. She pays for the car in 30 equal monthly payment at 12% per annum compounded monthly. What is her monthly payment to the nearest dollar? Total payment, price of the car, given me is 12%. So since it's monthly with 1%, and it's 30 equal payment. That's x equal to 697. Question 40. Betty received $25,000 as a 21st birthday present, which she deposited in her bank account. She decides to make regular deposit of $1,000 on the 22nd birthday, adding $200 more each year, like $1,200 on the 23rd, and so on. What is her future worth on her 56th birthday after the deposit? And the MAR is 6%. So 21st to 56, that give us 35 years, which is 35, and that's the option D, which is 1000 P given A, 6%, 35 years. It's 200 P given J, G 6%, 35 years, and 20 plus 25,000 the original deposit, all multiplied by if given P, 6% for 35 years. Question 44. Newcastle Fishers is planning on restarting a salmon hatchery. It began in 1887. The new design will cost $9,500, annual operation cost of $550, and the equipment will have a salvage value of $1,000 after 30 years. Annual benefits are estimated to be $2,200. Annual, this benefit is $350. If the MARR is 10%, what is the closest internal rate of return? $1,300 given a I is 10% and it's 30 here. Plus 1,000 P given a 10%, 30 years, minus 9,500. It is 2808. So the rate of return equal to 08 divided by 9,500, 29.6%. And the annual one is six 99%. So the closest one will be choice B, which is 1. Question 45. The set of cash flows begins at $200,000 at the end of year 1. It decreases by 10% at the end of year 2 and so on until n equal to 10 years. If the MARR is 8%, what is the present worth of the flow? So the present worth equal to minus the 10% gradient, negative gradient, to the power of 10 and 8%. That's to the power -10. Divided by 8% minus 10%. The whole thing equal to 931 660. Question 46. Sam's buys a UIT bond with a face value of $1,000 for $900. The bond matures in 10 years and pays a coupon interest rate of 6% every quarter. What is the annual effective interest rate of return if Sam's holds the bonds to maturity? No, 1,000. P given F is 6%. For 40, it's 10 years and it happens every quarter. So it's 40 plus 16 P given A, 6%, 40, and minus the original price, 900. That gives us 999.96. So the ROR equal to 996. 900 equal to 11.1%. Annual ROR equal to 11.1 at 10 years is 1.11%. That was for midterm 2. The question we are missing, we'll post the solution for that in a separate file, and you will have a complete solution for the all questions, not just but for the video we just covered the numerical one. Thank you.